It's a 2014 Ram 1500. The legendary 1500 has been rigorously tested to handle your toughest tasks. Dynamic crumple zones, multiple airbags, and side impact door beams keep your most precious cargo safe and secure. Plus, it has anti-lock brakes with brake assist, stability and traction control, and fully automatic headlights.
Stability control helps you stay on track when the vehicle begins to skid. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road with the Bluetooth. Your ride is stylish from top to bottom with the alloy wheels.
You ready to get dirty? This Ram is. Take it for a test drive today. Call, click, or stop in today. Fowler Dodge is conveniently located at 55 West I-240 Service Road in Oklahoma City.